Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to discuss an important political and economic theory called Marxism. Don't worry if this word sounds difficult. In this video, I will explain Marxism in very simple and easy language, step by step, so that anyone can understand it. So, let's begin. What is Marxism? Marxism is a social, economic, and political theory. It was introduced by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels in the 19th century. Marxism mainly talks about society, class system, economy, inequality between rich and poor. In simple words, Marxism explains why the rich become richer and the poor remain poor. Who was Karl Marx? Karl Marx was a German philosopher, economist, and thinker. He was born in 1818. Marx carefully studied history, society, economy, capitalism. He noticed that society is divided into classes, and these classes are always in conflict with each other. His most famous books are The Communist Manifesto, Das Kapital. What is class system, according to Marx? According to Marx, society is divided into two main classes: bourgeoisie, rich class, factory owners, businessmen, capitalists, people who own land, machines, and money, proletariat, working class, laborers, workers, poor people, people who sell their labor to survive. Marx believed that history is the history of class struggle. What is capitalism? Capitalism is an economic system where private individuals own factories and businesses. Profit is the main goal. Workers work for wages. Marx strongly criticized capitalism because workers are exploited. Rich people control everything. Poor people work hard but earn very little exploitation of workers. According to Marx, workers produce goods. These goods are sold at high prices. Workers get very low wages. Owners get huge profits. This unfair system is called exploitation. Marx believed that workers create wealth, but they do not enjoy it. Concept of surplus. Surplus value is a very important idea in Marxism. Let's understand it with a simple example. A worker works 8 hours a day. He produces goods worth 10,000 rupees. He is paid only 2,000 rupees. The remaining 8,000 rupees go to the owner. This extra amount is called surplus value. Marx believed that surplus value is the real source of profit in capitalism. Alienation means feeling separated or disconnected. Marx said that workers feel alienated because they do not own what they produce. They have no control over their work. Work becomes boring and tiring. They feel like machines, not humans. According to Marx, capitalism destroys human creativity. 8. Materialism and history. Marx believed in historical materialism. This means economic conditions shape society, money and production control politics, culture, and religion. Marx said, "It is not ideas that change the world, but material conditions." Role of religion in Marxism. Marx famously said, "Religion is the opium of the people." This does not mean he hated religion. He meant religion gives false comfort. It makes poor people accept suffering. It stops them from questioning injustice. 10. Revolution. According to Marx, Marx believed that capitalism will not last forever. He predicted, workers will become aware of exploitation. They will unite. They will overthrow the capitalist system. This change is called revolution, communism. After the revolution, Marx imagined a system called communism. In communism, no private property, no class system, no exploitation. Everyone is equal, resources are shared. Marx believed that, from each according to his ability, to each according to his need. Role of the state. According to Marx, the state supports the rich, laws favor capitalists, police and army protect property owners. In communism, Marx believed, The state will slowly disappear. Society will govern itself. Importance of Marxism today. Even today, Marxism is important because inequality still exists. Rich and poor gap is increasing. Workers still face exploitation. Many thinkers use Marxism to analyze society, understand power structures, criticize unfair systems. Criticism of Marxism. Marxism also has critics. Some people say, communism is unrealistic. It reduces individual freedom. It failed in some countries. Despite criticism, Marxism remains an important theory. To sum up, Marxism studies society and economy. It focuses on class struggle. It criticizes capitalism. It supports equality and justice. It dreams of a classless society. Marxism teaches us to question injustice and understand power and money. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.